Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Ramona local and long-distance movers near me. Our crew of experienced movers can make sure your long-distance move goes smoothly. We help you with your move no matter how far you need to go, from 100 miles to beyond 1,500 miles. With us, you get all of the right moving services to make moving a lot simpler. Our experts take care of all the needed moving choices, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It may not be easy to reconcile the cost of working with a California moving company. A local moving company delivers many advantages, which can make it well worth the cost. Any trustworthy moving company is going to help you save time on your local move. Avoiding the heavy lifting also offers one more benefit you get from working with the right local movers. When you work with our movers, you receive experts ready to make your local move very simple. Moving day gets much simpler with 3 movers because we streamline your entire move. A move that might take you all weekend to finish, we can deal with in a single morning. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Ramona moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.